Yes. Carpenter.
Useful.
Yep, you look a hardworking man.
Football, school. I
Oh
was
my god.
my hero. Until I found out who he was.
The belt? With the belt, Connie?
$8.99 and
Len.
Okay.
The song's the...
Eyes on the road, honey.
I hate everything.
it was dumb, but I tried to be that person for her. Maybe that was my mistake. And, who knows? Maybe I'm not cut out to be a doctor anyway.
Same.
Anything other than grilled chicken.
Oh man. What the hell is that
Really?
question?
Yes, chef.
Okay.
The cooking together.
Yes, chef. Gosh, it's gonna be that.
No, you.
What did I do?
I hope they kiss. I hope they kiss.
It was 4 years ago last March, the last time.
I hate this.
May pula dito. We.
Excited. He made it.
Keep that forever.
That is so sweet.
Kiss.
What's the song? What's the song? What's the song? How promise for love. Okay. Oh, they're gonna have sex. Bro.
Kaya pala ayaw niyo makipag-break sa prom eh. Oh my gosh, belly, belly. Now you remember it, Conrad?
There, you made it. KJ.
Jer, you didn't make anything.
Wow.
Wala kang naabutan, Jer.
It's not really left either.
Bert's, cause you weren't there, bruh. Wala na ako sa mood.
I would
Pangit.
rather ask him.
He's gonna do the same thing. He's gonna let it fire.
Yeah, that's
You're like that the whole day? This guy's been absent!
For us.
Fight, 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 fight.
It's the kind of wedding that your mom would have wanted.
Weh. No, I don't think so.
Bahala mo, bro.
Well, who said? Who said?
Focus on the GREs.
Yeah,
GRE.
that's
Get ready with me.
Start with the
Up here with my brother.
She loved that. She loved being stuck with your brother.
Everyone, what do you think?
Nobody likes the scene.
Today I slipped up.
like a little alien.
Alien?
Jared was always the cute one.
And he knew it.
No.
I can't believe this.
I feel so bad for this guy.
Diba? Why did he say, I don't need you? Oh, God. Stop playing games. I'm so affected.
So sad.
That's so sad. Ang galing ng director nito. Perfect.
Imagine.
Perfect. Grabe, ramdam ko siya.
Why are you-
Okay, what was your favorite scene? The peach or the one in the room?